to Old Town Live, a brand new web show on the Old Town Association website designed to provide all kinds of information about businesses and events in the Old Town district of Moore, Oklahoma. And I'm actually here today with the event coordinator for the Old Town Association, Jamie Brookings, who has been very, very busy putting together, events for just about every single month out of the year. Your little think tank have been down there working on that. And the next month that we're in right now, October, is where we're starting to see the fruition of some of this brainstorming. So tell us what's going on this October.
In Old Town, this October, we have, on October 31st, we have Haunt Old Town. It's where our, we open up the streets, the merchants provide candy for trick-or-treaters down along our streets in Old Town.
Now it's called Haunt Old Town, and it's October 31st, and it starts at?
Starts at 4 p.m. And ends at 6 p.m.
Okay, now you described, it sounded fairly mundane, you know, we're going to have some trick-or-treaters come out, but it's anything but mundane, right? I mean, it is just, last year, I think is probably more kids than I've ever seen in one place. Absolutely.
We estimate that we probably had over 1,000 children based on the candy that we gave out last year. I know personal experience at our boutique, we had to shut our doors. And because we ran out of candy, a lot of places went and ran and got more candy. So it was a very, very big turnout last year. We're very excited. So we have some new and exciting things this year to add to it.
So over 1,000 kids, and then if you combine the parents with them, you're talking maybe, what, 2,500 people or more down there?
Tons of people. I know we ran over in time because we don't want to turn anybody away. So yes, there was people everywhere. The streets were full of people.
Okay, so this is Haunt Old Town. Now, Haunt Old Town actually kind of falls in the middle of a full day of activities. Just to kind of give our viewers that may not be aware, can you kind of run through some of the things that are going on that day?
Sure. The day starts out at 10 a.m. with the Red Ribbon Parade. A huge parade here in Moore. We always have a huge turnout. It's a really great parade. It's a very, very good one. And that roughly, ends probably around 11 or 11:30. Lots of activities, lots of stuff going on. People floats and those types of things, very fun. And then you move on to the community center at noon, and that's going to be the Red Ribbon Jam, kind of a Cajun festival, food and music and fun, and just a lot of activities going on at the community center, and that ends at 3 o'clock. And then we start back up at 4 o'clock in Old Town, haunting Old Town, from 4 to 6, and then 6 o'clock we conclude the day's festivities with the Halloween festival at the community center from 6 to 9. Also lots of games and safe trick-or-treating for your kids.
So it's really all day. It starts in the morning and it goes all the way till the evening. Now the Haunt Old Town is kind of kicking off the trick-or-treating traditional Halloween element. Why should people come to Old Town as opposed to just going through their neighborhood like they would have done in the past?
Well, we offer a lot of extra activities for the kids as well. This year we're going to have moon bounces where the kids can come both on the north and south ends of Broadway. We're going to have SpongeBob and Scooby-Doo are going to be out there. We're going to have them available for the kids to jump for free. That's something you can't find a lot of times, is free activities for your children. We're also going to have something really fun located on the corner of the old school. South corner of the old school is Guess the Weight of the Old Pumpkin. It's going to be a huge pumpkin, and everybody can guess the weight, register, and put their guess in, and then they get a Old Town shopping spree. So they get some gift certificates from the merchants in Old Town and get to have a little shopping spree. It's kind of neat.
Well, that's pretty cool. In addition to that, I think, when we talk about trick-or-treating these days, people are kind of leery. They're like, oh, I don't know, with all the news of different things that happen, of sending my kids around to strangers' homes to get candy from them. What's the difference between coming down to Old Town?
Absolutely. Well, we have a committee, our event committee. We're in control of everything, and I have 6 children, so I know how important it is. I want them to be safe, and I want them to be everything to go smooth and to feel secure that the kids are getting safe things. So you can be rest assured that they're going to get good stuff. It's not just candy. We mix in toys and bubbles and all kinds of stuff. So each merchant has a little bit something different to give the kids.
And it is kind of neat too to see 1,000 different Halloween costumes.
Oh, Oh, yeah.
I mean, these little kids, and they're all dressed up, and you just want to get your camera and take a picture of every single kid out there.
Yes, you do. You're busy taking pictures and almost can't pass out candy. And also our merchants are dressed up as well. And there are storefronts decorated and those types of things. So it's really, really fun, festive event.
Now this Guess the Old Pumpkin Wait is brand new, right? We've never done that before. So we'll see how it goes. Now how big of a pumpkin are we talking about?
You know, that's going to be a surprise. We don't really know yet, because honestly we kind of want to see what we can find. It's going to be big. It's not going to be your average, let's go down the street and buy one to carve. I mean, you'll be able to carve it, but probably in a bunch of different places. It's going to be a big one.
So you're going to the secret pumpkin labs or wherever they are that they make these genetically monstrous pumpkins.
Yes, and it may not be orange. It may be, who knows? Who knows? It's going to be neat. It's going to be great.
Okay. Well, as we mentioned, this actually kicks off a whole string of activities that will take place on into the year. In November, there's activities. In December, and then you guys are busy, I know, working on plans for 2010.
Yes.
So that we'll just have continual events going on in Old Town. It's all part of this thing called Old Town Live, so that people understand there's activity down here. There's a lot going on. There's a lot to see, and we hope that when you come down to Old Town and take part in the activities, you'll also take time to go into the different merchants and check out the different products that are available and the different services down here in Moore's historic Old Town District. So thanks for watching this episode. We hope you'll come out on October 31st to haunt Old Town. As we've just discussed, there's a lot going on that night, so we'll see you then.